Welcome back to Cooking with Hua. Today I'll be making chicken and corn chowder in my pressure cooker. This is the perfect comfort food for the winter season. The list of ingredients will be listed down in the description box. I did use some hearty vegetables and some aromatics to give it a lot of good flavor in the chicken and chowder soup. Add in a tablespoon of cooking oil, and I have my pressure cooker on saute, and make sure it's on the normal, not the high setting. Continue to cook the bacon until it's crispy or your desired texture. I just drained the excess oil on a paper towel, and I also took out the excess oil from my pressure cooker. Now all that brown bits on the bottom of your Instant Pot or your pressure cooker are gold nuggets. It's going to infuse and give it good flavor to your chicken and corn chowder. I added in the vegetables and also the aromatics with a little bit of chicken stock, and I deglazed the bottom of the pan. Make sure you get the bottom of the pan with all those nice bits and pieces. I like using Idaho potatoes, carrots, celery, green bell pepper, onions, and garlic. Cut your vegetables into bigger sizes. It just looks better for presentation, and also it doesn't disappear once your chicken and corn chowder is cooked. Then add in your choice of protein. Obviously, I'm making chicken and corn chowder, so I added some chicken breast. Otherwise, you can just completely leave it out. Then add in your chicken stock or your vegetable stock. I use 2 cans of corn, but feel free to use fresh kernel corn. The seasoning will be listed down below in the description box. I'm also making a slurry with the half and half and cornstarch. This will help thicken your chicken and corn chowder. Now I set the timer for 11 minutes. Once it starts to pressurize, then the countdown will start to happen. Be very careful when you do a manual release because the steam is extremely hot. I also added in 2 cups of cheddar cheese, and I turned on the pressure cooker to saute for about 3 minutes. Switch it back to warm. Now I haven't forgotten about the bacon. I just don't like to put it back into the pressure cooker because I like it to stay crispy. So I like to use it as a topper along with some extra cheese and some green onions. And this concludes my 12 Days of Christmas series. I really hope you've enjoyed the recipes that are simple and easy for you to create over the holidays with your family. Happy holidays, everyone!